Hey guys, well, terrible view today, I apologise. We're in the garage just chugging along with some things I should have been doing a long time ago. This is Honda CB500T. It was custom built when I got it, but not as well as it should be. Just for example, this back piece was wood. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I'm just shaving this out. It's getting a seal on there all the way around, obviously, to protect from the underside because there's no other mudguard on this. The battery tray here, we've had to have it extended, drop it down a little bit, because the regulator in it is for a standard battery, but it had a lithium in, and that doesn't work basically. So we've got a glass mat battery. You can lay them fully sideways in there. I've just got to widen out the hole to get that back in because we've had to hutch things up. Carburetors have been rebuilt. Obviously it's had lots and lots of stuff done to it previously. Brakes rebuilt, engine, everything really. New tyres, it's all ready to rock and roll. I managed to break that, that was me, so I've got a new one coming. New digital dash on there because the old one wouldn't let me set up how many cylinders it was running on, so I couldn't get the revs correct. Hopefully this one will, but we won't know until we put the battery in it. Anyway, after that, I've got to wire up the rear lights. I'll do it properly, it was a mess before. And then we're doing this one. This is my Benelli 654, which is actually up and running and on the road. Technically, I haven't run it for about 6 months, but that's getting a good clean, and I may auction that later on this year. This red one here is another Benelli 654. Again, it's a very pretty bike. I think it just needs tyres. And then that one might get auctioned later this year. And in the corner, this is a Benelli 500 Quattro. So that has a 4x4 exhaust system, velocity stacks, and it's the little brother to the Say, the 6-cylinder. Same frame, same side panel, same tank as the Say, basically. Just a more practical engine, lighter and quite nippy, and sounds phenomenal with those exhausts. Again, that one will probably get auctioned off this year. And the next job I've got to do is this beast, my GS500E 4-cylinder. It's been waiting for me to clean the carburetors on it for a good 6 months. I'm going to do that. It's on my insurance. We'll give it a bit of a run. And then I'm going to decide whether I keep it on these American style handlebars or whether I drop it down a little bit. But yes, you've got anti-dive forks on there, twin disc. It's quite a nice thing. It's got 701 miles since a full rebuild. So could be a good toy for someone.